is edamame. He actually popped the beans out. Give him another one.
Will I give him another one? Another one?
He's taking out the beans.
Another one? Another one?
Okay, one more because I...
Or two?
One. One. Wait. Okay, one more. That's it. Last one. He took the beans out again.
Take it.
They're so funny.
Don't do it until he eats all of it.
Oh, you got another bean. What do you think, Jake?
Good?
All done?
Nope, not until it goes to 109.
Or is he going to eat the... No, he doesn't want those. He's looking for the beans. Jakey's beans are all gone.
Jake, beans are all
Jake,
gone.
look over here. Say goodbye. We're making you famous.
No, one more.
No, Zachy. Oh, I didn't want him to.
Wow, that's 2 more beans? Hey, look at, what's that word on chicken bone? Chicken bone.
You and your obsession with that word, it's so funny.
Without chicken poop.
Zach, now it's on the movie.
Chicken poop.
I can't believe you took out all the beans. Jakey, look at me. Jakey, look at me and say bye-bye.
Chicken poop, chicken poop.
Not you. Let's get a good shot of Jake so that people can see him.
Can I
Jakey!
do a